Clean and pat dry the potatoes. The next thing you want to do is to preheat your air fryer. You then want to brush the potatoes with cooking oil. Next, place the potatoes inside your air fryer basket and top them with some coarse sea salt. You then just want to close your air fryer and air fry. And once the potatoes are cooked, you want to get them out of the air fryer and just check whether they are cooked through. These have slightly cooled and are ready to serve. Serve this Ninja air fryer baked potatoes with coleslaw, sour cream, or your favorite dishes. Until next time, bye bye.